If everyone see, then you can tell me. Okay. Yeah. Everyone able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So, like everyone will be aware for what is which purpose you joined, what is the course. Everyone will be aware. Yeah, please mute yourself, okay? Because my voice is coming to me only. Okay. Be aware. Hello.
Jatuh sih kalau.
Okay, so we can start our okay. So in our training, I will provide from the performance testing. Okay, so in our training, I will provide from the performance testing. Please mute everyone because I am getting voice. Mute everyone because I am getting voice. Please mute. Please mute. Everyone mute, right? Everyone mute, right? Yeah, hello. Yeah, hello. So, performance testing, we have the different tools in the market. Okay, what are those tools? Means we have the like load runner, JMeter, Neoload, load gen, Soasta. So these are the tools from the performance testing point of view. If you want to do from the performance testing, you need to do from the like any one of the tool is fine. It's a load runner or it is a JMeter, whatever maybe. So in our performance testing training, I will give from the training load runner and JMeter. Because if you are good in the load runner, so every tool will be similar only. The difference only the terminology will be different. Okay. So that is why if assumed the all companies maximum 99% companies using load runner only. Okay, so that is why you are good in load runner. So if you are, can do from the any tool will be similar only. Okay, maximum 99% using from the load runner, only 1% using from the company's JMeter for present. Okay, so why like what is performance testing? Okay, what we need to do means, so first thing you should understand the software architecture. So everyone will be software will be no, right? Software nothing but as a we have the different teams will be there. Okay, one is from the okay development team will be there. Development, okay, and we have the development and QA tester, nothing but functional tester. We can call it as a functional. And we have the performance testing. So as a developer, for example, one application they are developing, like it's a Facebookism. So as a developer, they developed for the Facebook application. So once they developed, then that application will go into the QA testing. Next, functional. Functional means they will check from the each and every point. Okay, if you enter from the username password, if you click, it is going to the next page or not, they will check. And the pages is the login is spelling is correct. So everything they will check from the functional point of view. So once functional testing is done, then it is coming to the finally performance testing. Okay, finally it is a performance testing, it will come. So performance testing means what we can do means is a Facebook will be there. Okay, so what will happen, Facebook day to day users are increasing. This means new users are joining, like sign upping, and they are also using from the Facebook. Then what will happen, if the many numbers is happen, their application might will be slow or might will be crash also, it is happen. One more example, see, when we are like festival time, we'll get from the offers, Flipkart, Amazon, so different applications they are giving from the offer. So what will happen, everyone is going to that application, they are try to book the some product. So at that time, all users at a time they access, then what will happen? Their application will be crossed. So then before coming to the offer, they are doing from the some okay performance testing they need to complete. Okay, if it is a 1 lakh users also at a time hit to the application also, there is no problem. So based on that they will be do the performance testing. So simply nothing but, so when maximum number of users like 5, 10, 15, 20, 1 lakh users, it is a their application using also, that application will be not slow. Okay, there is no crashes happen. So that is major point of view we are doing from the performance testing. Okay, for example, we'll see the one application, one sample application. Okay, this is the one application pet tour, like this is the web tour application, like to book the flight book ticket point of view we are open this. So what we are doing means, as a functional tester he will test from the each and every point, like welcome is correct or not, web is correct or not. He will give from the username password, he will enter from the username password, click on the login button. So if it is going to the next page, that is a good. But as a performance testing we are not do from that all things, only we can do from the business flow. So flight booking means what we can do, just we can launch the application, we can select the flight and where to where we can go, and we can select, and that is the logout. So the same steps we can perform the performance testing. For example, now we can observe, so this is the username I am giving, and bin, and click on login button and click on flights, and you can observe departure city, area city means where to where you are going, like if you are going to the London to Paris or whatever maybe you can select. And after that, based on that your preferences, seating preference, if you want window or none, or you can select if it's a type of seat also, it is a first coach or business, or you can select from the any of them, and after that click on next. So here you can observe London to Paris, these are all the available flights. So which is the depends on the time availability, depends on the cost, you can select from the any one of the flight and click on continue. So now it is asking for the payment details, like you want to book the flight means we need to pay the, right? So that is we need to provide from the payment details also. It is asking from the first name, last name, credit card number, and expire date of the credit card. Okay, and so you can click on continue. See, thank you for booking through web tour application. So using the web tour application where ticket book is successful, this is the business flow. So this kind of business flow we can do from the performance testing using from the our tool as a load runner. What is that? Load runner. So load runner, we have the 5 components. What are there means? Virtual user generator, controller, and agent process, and load generator, and analyzer. Using these 5 components we can do from the our end-to-end testing. So like what is the virtual user generator means, we want to record the business flow and generate from the script statement purpose, we can use from the virtual user generator. So it is a one of the component is loaded as a virtual user generator. So what is that virtual user generator means? You want to record the business flow. Business flow nothing but this is the one business flow. Okay, maybe you are doing from the Facebook, what you can do, launch application, login application, upload video, download video, charting, comment, and logout. That is the business flow. So that business flow where we can record, I means using for the virtual user generator we can record, and after that it will generate the script statement. And once script is ready, okay, we are recorded that script, and after that controller nothing but as a perform testing, what I told, we want to execute from the multiple users means like more than 2000 users, 3000, 5000, 1 lakh users also we can test. So once scripting is ready here, that script we can push into the controller, and we can execute with the multiple user point of view. How many users you want test, like 1000, 2000, or 3000, 50,000. So based on that you can do from the controller. Once complete from the this controller, you need to analyze the results. Like analyze the results means we need to like what is the response time of the transaction, okay, how the results will be there. Results will be good or not bad. We are getting any error. So these all things we can analyze the using for the analyzer. Main thing using these three components we can do from the end-to-end testing. For today class, I will show from the end-to-end testing. Okay, as a performance test engineer, really, okay, if it is a real time also, we are doing same way. We can start with the virtual user generator and controller and analyzer. So today I will show from the end-to-end testing. Means if you maybe if you get the job, what is the your job end to end, starting to ending, I will show from the as a real time only. Okay, so now we can move to the okay load runner. Once we can install the load runner, we can see the this is the virtual user generator, this is the controller, this is the analysis. So now you need to open the virtual user generator. So once open the virtual user generated, it will be look like this. If you click here, it is asking from the add new script. So just click from the add new script. So here we need to select from the web HTTP HTML protocol because we are doing from the all web based applications. So that is why we need to select from the web HTTP HTML application. And after that you need to give from the script name. So which script you are doing, you need to give from the that script name. Okay, for example we can do from the this script. I will show from the one more also. We have okay. So this is the application. Now we can using from the virtual generator we can record. So this is the application. What we are doing means we can sign in, like you can give from the username password. Okay, means I am booking the one pet, any one of the pet. That is the application we can record. Okay, and after that these are all the available pets: fish, dog, cats, reptiles, birds. So which one you want to book, you can click. So I am booking from the fish and click from the these are the fish. In that fish we have different type of products. Like fish we have the different, right? Like coramenu how we have, right? Same way we have the different fishes will be there here. Tiger, shark, okay, ugly fish and cody. So we have different will be there. You can select from the any one of the file. Okay, now I'm selecting shark, and after that you are selected this. It is asking from the add to cart, means we want to order that pet, means we can click on the add to cart, and here it is asking from the how many we want and click on proceed to checkout. And here you can observe, so these all will be payment details, means we need to buy the any pet, means we need to pay the amount, right? So that is why you need to select from the type is a credit card or Visa, MasterCard. So you can select that, and after that click on continue. So please confirm below details. Like you want to address details, you shopping shipping address details, you need to confirm. So see, you can observe, thank you for your order. So this scenario using for the our virtual user generator, we can record and we can see the end-to-end testing now. So let's move to the here. So this is the protocol web-based HTML, because all web-based applications we can do that. Now script name. So what application we are doing, you need to give for that name. Pest store and underscore, just you can give from the today data. Okay, so 2101, okay, 2024. Okay, just click on create button. So zero coding, no need to write any coding also this one. Just we are doing from the playback only. Just you can record. This is the record button. Just click from the record button. Okay. Once you can click on the record button, it is showing from the, it is a web browser because we are doing from the web application, and this is asking from the Chrome or like browser. It is asking which browser you want. It is a Chrome or Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft Edge. So we need to select from the any one of this. And here this is the important thing. So which URL you are doing, that URL you need to provide here. For example, you are doing from the which URL, this is the pet store application you are doing. So then which URL you need to provide, pet store application URL only you need to provide. So You can copy and paste it. So means, for example, you are doing from the Facebook application, then we can give from the Play Store application URL. No, right? So we need to give from the, okay, like what application you are testing. For example, you are testing iccibank.com, www.iccibank. You are doing from the like HSBC, so www.hsbc.com. So means which application you are testing, you need to provide that URL here. And after that, so we can start a recording. So this is the start record button. So once you can start record button, what will happen means automatically which browser you are selected, that browser automatically it will open, and which URL you are given, that URL automatically it will open, because we are using from the our tool, we are recording the script. So just click on the start record button and click on OK. So when you are doing from the recording, right, close from the all browsers. Okay, no need to open any browser, you need to close from the all browsers. Okay, and now click on OK. So now we can observe. So I click from the start record button, automatically the browser is opening. See, you can observe, this is the URL, automatically it is happen. This is the browser, we are selected the Chrome, so it is a Chrome open, and here you can observe recording events, means using from the our tool virtual user generator, we are recording the script. So while recording, you should understand that here recording events will be there. These are increasing, means your execution is going to the recording is going in the using your application. You can see here, if you go here and you can observe recording this program files Google Chrome application, means this application is opened. It is not open manually, through, okay, through our tool itself it is opening. So how we are done from the front end from the Play Store application, right? Same way you can do from the here, and after that automatically the script will be generated in the our using from the our virtual user generator. So everyone is following, or everyone will be there? Everyone full silent. I'm asking sometimes, no one is responding. Everyone is available?
Yes.
Yes, Kiran. Yes,
Yeah,
Kiran.
please respond when I ask, right? If you not like responded, I am thinking at everyone is sleep mode. Okay.
No, no.
Yeah,
Okay.
thank
We'll
you,
give
thank you.
the answer.
Yeah, thank you. So we should be wait for the like how it is a manually open, right? Like a Play Store application, same like that it will open from the this application. So if you have any doubts, right, you can raise a hand, or you can in middle also you can ask me. Okay, no worry. Like small doubts, anything. Otherwise, once class completed, right, I will give from the time to everyone. Like you have any doubts or anything, you can ask me. Okay, at the time we'll discuss from this. Okay.
Okay.
What happened this application? So using the tool when you're recording, right, this recording events will be there. If this is increasing only, we can consider as our script is recording. Otherwise, it will not recording from the our script. So you can observe recording only 7 events only it is came. So when it is opening, right, it is events are keep on increasing 7, 8, 9, 10 like that. It will increase from the more. If not, then we can stop this, right, and again we'll see the what is the issue. Okay. Again we'll open this. Okay. So again we can record. Okay, this is the record button. And what we can do means we have the recording options also will be there. We need to check from the before recording some recording options, like before recording we need to set from the some settings also. If you click from this, it will open, and here, okay, it will be there in the second one and first one. That is fine. And tools, advanced. Okay. So after that, if you did any changes, click from the OK button. Okay. So just I will check from the manual it is application working or not, and we'll see that. So this is the URL. Manually we'll check really it is application opening this browser or not. Okay, here it is opening perfect only. Okay, we can close again, and again we'll try. Okay, so same URL again, just click from the start record button, click on S. Browser issue there. Okay, recording option mapping. Again I'm recording. Okay, some network issue there. See, now you can observe events are increasing will be more. Okay, now it will open. Say some this site cannot be reached. Yeah, now it is open through browser. Now you can observe when we record that time, right? Only we are observe that only 1, 2, 3, 4 only recording events, and recording events also stuck. Means what will happen means when you are trying to recording, sometimes will be browser also it is not accept. So we need to check from the some browser settings also. Now it is able to recording. So now what is the next step? We can click on the sign in button. So just click from the sign in button. So just I'm writing from the name as a sign in as a transaction name, sign in, and click from the sign in button. Okay, see sign in only we are doing. So you can give from the username and password and click on login button. So sign in is completed means your login is done. So we have the end the transaction also will be there, like you need to end the sign in. Then again what you are doing, you are booking the pet. So you can give from the click on pet. Just I'm giving as a click on pet. Okay, give the name, click on pet, and click from the any one of the pet. Okay, and after that, so you can just close this, click on pet. Again what we are doing, we are selecting the product. So you can give from the select product. Okay, you can select any one of the product. So you can observe events are increasing, so means only your code is able to recording. Then after that you need to close this select product. Next what you are doing, add to cart. You can give it as a name, add to cart, and click from the add to cart and click on the this entire thing is coming to the cart only, right? You can click on this, and this is the payment details, right? You can end this add to cart. Again you can start the what you are doing payment and click on continue. So click on confirm. See, thank you for your order been submitted. So end this, and final step what you are doing, you need to click on sign out. Before click on sign out, you can give from the transaction name is a sign out or log out, whatever maybe you can give, and you can click from the log out. See what is the our business flow to book the pet, and we are book the pet and we are log out also done. And after that, before stop the recording, you can log out, and now you need to stop the recording. This is the stop record button. Everyone able to see, right? So just click from the stop record button. So you can observe code generation, generating the code. Like what is the script you done? It is generating the code, everything. Okay. Now it is once it is open, right? We can go to the action. So here everything is recorded. You can observe. So what we did, see, given the name start transaction sign in means sign in started here. You can observe everyone carefully. So after that, see, we are entered username password, so means everything is recorded. Okay, and after that what we did, click on pet means we are click from the one pet, like it is a fish or water maybe you are clicked, right? That is, so after that we are selected product, so that code is recorded. So finally you can observe sign out. See, web URL sign out. So as per what we did in the front end, everything is recorded, right? Yes or no? It is
Yes.
Yes,
recorded.
yes,
So
yes.
now what is the our next step means, see, scripting is completed, assume. So we are not doing any scripting now. So just script is completed, thinking about that. Now next we can move to the which one, which component? Controller. So next one is the controller. So now you can jump to the, just we can record, and after that real time also we can perform same thing, you can record, and after that we can open the controller. This is the one more component, load runner. One more component is the controller. Open the controller. See, this is opening, and you can observe here these all the available scripts. Now what is our script name? If you go here and you can see the script name, testore 2101 2024. We need to check from the in the controller, that one. Okay, pastor
above Pastor 21/01/2024.
yes, yes. Yeah, see this one. Our script is this. So you can observe once we did there, it is automatically it is reflected here. So you can just what you can do means click just add means we are pushing the script into the controller and click from the OK button. Just click from the OK button. See now you can observe this is the script name. This is the script to save location. Quantity nothing but users. For now, how many users will be there? One user will be there. But I want to execute for more means here start users will be there. You can click here and you can give from the for example 100 user you are testing. You can click on this and you can observe here how many users is it showing 100 users. So means how many users you want to test that you need to based on that you can give from the there or that many users. For example, I want to right now we can do from the only 10 only can means you can give from the 10. You can observe here this is a 10 users and test duration. So duration is nothing but how much time we need to execute the test. We can give it as a some 0 2 minutes only will give. Okay. So now test is design is completed. We are doing from the like we are push the script in controller and executing it the multiple users. So now I given from the 10 users. So design is completed. Now we can move to the run tab and in the run tab we can observe this is the script name pastor. We are executing with the 10 users. So just you can start scenario then your test will be start. So you can observe if you click this your test will be start. You can observe here see one user is coming to the here. Okay, so you can observe one user came. So if you open here show user, you can observe this user will be doing like this means see during the test. So is logging launching again. So you can observe so how we are done from the front end, right? So same thing here also it is executing means the user will be again and again it will executing. So how much duration you are given test like it's a 2 minutes or 1 hour based on that if you give for the timelines. So it will execute from the that many times from the see you can observe three means you will able to see the three windows also. See if you open okay, so you can open this see how many users there that many windows we can see four windows we can see. So how many users it will be running that many windows we can see. Each user will be doing from the many times launch login and again selecting from the okay pet and again log out again login again. So is doing from the number of times like when is the your execution will be completed, when is the your test is completed. For here you can observe past transaction will be this many transaction nothing but see launch is the one transaction, click on pet is the one transaction, selecting for the product is one transaction, add to cart, payment is one transaction and logout is one transaction. Why we are call it as a transaction means this transaction number of user are also doing from the same time. It is a less than 1 second happen or not, less than 2 second or not. We need to find the as a performance test engineer. You can observe here see execution is still going. Now 9 users will be executing. Okay, so now 10 users executing. So once test is completed then sudden slowly one user will be down and stop the your execution. So you can observe here transaction response time if you open this So this is the transactions. Click on pet we are given, log out we are given. You can observe. So payment is happen and add to cart and you can see select product. So these transactions average time, how much time it is taking while during the test also we can observe. So average weight is showing from the some 0.360 seconds only, 0.370 seconds, milliseconds. Okay, so means during the test you should be okay. How much time it is happening from the each and every step also we can do from the here during the test. So for example, real time we can do from the maximum 1 hour also we can do for the test. During the test nothing you can do, just you should be open this window and you can observe the transactions response time, how much it is getting and how many pass should happen, how many failed happen. If it is any errors, then if you click here errors, then it will display from the, if you have the any errors, it will display from the here. See, now we don't have any errors. So if you click from the past transactions, you can observe. So first will come with the first onwards. So launch is launch we are not given, right? Okay. Sign in is there. Is how many times it is happened sign in? You can observe 319 times it is happened. Means only one user will be, for example, 5 minutes duration. He will do from the multiple times sign ins, multiple times add to cart, multiple payments is happen. So real time also what will happen, as a user will be there. For example, I am doing chatting means other one will be not do or not do. He also do, right? His system he also do. Same way here also we are doing from the that way. See, one user is downing, one user stopped. So you can observe everyone is clear, right? Here.
Yes, clear.
Yeah, thank you. So real time also we can do from the this way. Like first you can record the script. Once record is completed, that script you can push into the controller. Okay, and the controller too you can execute the how many users you want to execute. You can design the scenario like how much duration you can give, like 1 hour duration or like I am executing 100 users. So you need to design that and click on the start scenario. Your execution will be start. See, two users will be down, one user gradually existing means it is he also come to the stop status, means first running to it will come to the gradual existing and after that it will stop the your test. For in this call, right, everyone will be there in our WhatsApp group.
No, Kiran, my name not added in WhatsApp group.
Okay, okay. You have my number?
No, actually Raja is there. No? Raja, one of my
Okay,
friend. He
okay.
is morning shared my number already to you.
Yeah, I think I already
Please add.
added in group. Oh, yeah, already added. Okay, no worry. I think
Yeah. Okay.
Akbar, right?
Yes, 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 correct.
Yes, yes, already added.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. See, you can observe 5 users will be stopped. Still, we have the 5 users. If you open here also, we can see the this 5 user they are doing from the their transactions. Still, is they are doing. See, 5 windows it is there. See, one more. See, 5 windows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows. See, 5 they are doing from the their transactions. See, now we have only 4. So real time how as a user performing, so same way we are testing from the here also.
If in case any errors it came, what will do?
Yeah, if it is a, for example, if you got error, okay, so if you click this, then it will indicate that what is that error. First thing, maybe it is script issue, then you can go to the script. Okay, you can come to the script and you can resolve the what is that issue. Again Same thing we can push into the controller. Again, you can execute. Got it?
Okay.
So because errors count will be based on the companies, some companies will be, if it is a 0 errors only, they will accept results. Some companies, it is a 3% of the transaction error. For example, 5,000 will be there. In that 3% transactions failure, that is fine. If it is more than that, the company will be not accept. Means the test is not valid. Okay, means in the 10 transactions passed, it is a 4 transactions failed, means it is a more than 3%, then your test is invalid. So based on that, we should be okay, this is test valid, means that is fine. If not, then we need to resolve the what is those errors.
Okay.
And again we can do from the execution. Again we can push controller and we can execute. Still one user is pending, one user is completed, our test will be finished. And our test is finished, see, it is existing, see, our test is completed. You can observe, see, now it stop this everything, okay? All users are stopped, means your execution is completed. Total execution, this much time it is happen, okay? Now, what is our duty means? Now we have the one more component. What is that? Analysis, okay? You can observe here, this is the analysis, one more component. So if you go to the here results, click on the analyze results, means our current results will be open in the our one more component is using from the analysis. See, load runner analysis, our results will be loading. See, results loading, we should wait for the until 100% means results are loading. So it is a very good tool because everyday class will be real time only. Really, if you follow me and everyday assignment if you completed, no need support from the, if you got the job, no need support from the anyone. Yourself you can do from the your work. If you went to direct company also, there is no problem. But you should follow me, and today I given from the assignment means you should complete from the assignment. Then you definitely you will get from the anyone support will be no need from you. See, now you can observe results is loading. See, you can observe this is the runtime, nothing but test is we are started from the 21st date, and this is the 3:46 we are started. Total duration is 8 minutes 48 second happen. And major thing what we can observe here means each and every transaction nothing but what is the we are given, right? Login and click on pet, these transactions there, right? Each and every transaction average response time. So as a client is given as a 2 second. So it is a within the 2 second happen or not, we need to observe. So client is given 2 second average response time of the this for example 10 users. Okay, so now you can observe first transaction what sign in, how much time happen average 0.928 seconds, means less than 1 second, means our client is expected 2 seconds, means it is less than, means okay, good time. And next what we are doing, select product, it is happen from the 0.183, means it's the less than 1 second only. And after that what we are doing, select the product, and after that click on pet, see 0.339, again add to cart 0.373, and after add to cart payment details, see payment is happen from the 0.538, and final will be logout 0.46. So what are the transactions we are given? All transactions will be as per client. Like client is asking from the within 2 seconds. We are getting from the response time also within 2 seconds. Means your results will be good. Then your results will be good means we can send this report to the client. Okay, open from the Excel sheet, and how to prepare also I will show from some Okay, results will good, then we can do from the ourselves. How to we can do, I will show the reporting also. Okay, okay, now I open new window. So first thing, if you go to the here, first thing, if is the results good only, we can prepare the report. See, for example, you observe that this payment is happened from the 3.538. 3.538. Client is given 2 seconds, but is more than 3 seconds. Client will accept. He will accept.
No.
Not
No,
accept.
right? No, right? So
Yes.
means this results is not good. Then what is our approach means? We need to identify that why this payment is taken from the more than 2 seconds. Okay, first you can check from the things. Okay, CPU memory is correct or not, you can check. Like 10 user point of view, your CPU memory is sufficient or not, you can check. Okay, 10 users, you are observed that CPU memory is crossing from the more than 80%, 90%. Okay, means what will happen? CPU memory is what is the 10 user point of view, that is not sufficient. See, for example, now it is showing from the 31%. Maybe during the test you are observed that it is more than 80%. Means, see, for example, we have the one okay, box will be there. So in the box we can put it from the some food or anything, when means up to full only we can put it. More than that means what will happen? We are on output, right? Same way, if you are doing from the 10 users, so already CPU is 80% is utilized, then your response time could be high, because we don't have from the CPU utilization, it's a memory also, CPU or memory, whatever may be. Okay, then we can call it as a CPU memory issue. Then what we can do means, we can inform to the particular CPU memory team, okay, we are executed 10 users, we are observed that CPU and memory is crossing from the more than 80%. Could you please increase the CPU memory utilization? Then they will increase from the 4 GB to CPU 8 GB, memory 16 GB to 32 GB they will increase. Then after that again we can execute the test in the controller. Again we can open the results in this here. Again results will be good. Then we can prepare the report. Clear everyone? So now results will good, right? Then we can prepare the report. So I'm copy this, just go to the Excel. See, results came. So just formatting. See now. So this will be not our transactions. We can remove this. No need from this. Just delete it. Okay. So this is also not our transaction. We can delete. So now we can observe. So this is the transaction. We can give it as a client 2 second given, right? That we can call it as a SLA, service level agreement. So this is the 2 second from the each and every transaction. So we'll provide this. Okay. And after that, so just we need to compare from the this to this. Okay. So now we can observe all transaction will be so average only can concentrate. No need from the this maximum minimum don't concentrate. Only we need from the average time. Okay. So average any one of the transaction more than 2 seconds or not, you need to observe. If it is every transaction will be good, then just what we can do means we can indicate from the green color, because if anyone see means it is a okay, very results will be good, they will be easy to understand from the by seeing results. Maybe your results will be some transaction it is happen from the more than 2 seconds like 2.58. So then what we can do, we can indicate from the red color this. That means someone will be seeing means okay, this payment it is a more than 2 seconds. So we need to send this report to the client. Just you can put it these details, and apart from this we can put from some other details also, like test summary statistics, how many users you are executed, what is the duration you are executed, and you have the total throughput, average throughput, total hits. We can mention from this, and apart from this we can mention from the these details, and as same to the CPU memory also we need to mention. Okay, so this is like this we can prepare the report, and this report we can send to the our team or client. Okay, just you can put it the mail, we are executed in the 10 users. Okay, all transactions means these are the transactions, all transaction response time will be good. Okay, so please find the below results. Just you can attach this Excel sheet, then your job will be done. Every day our job will be this only, we are doing the scripting, execution, and result analysis and report send, then your job will be done. It's clear everyone?